Hey guys, let me show you how you can take macro photos in this Samsung A27 5G. So take a look. This photo was actually taken with a macro dedicated mode, and this one was taken with my method. This one, in my opinion, looks much better. And definitely you shouldn't actually use macro mode. In my opinion, it's useless because it will actually force you to keep your phone 3 to 5 centimeters away from a subject. So this is not the best actually solution. Now, if you hold your phone as steady as possible, it will be also very important because we are going to use zoom feature, not 2, but even 4x. As you can see right now, when we zoom in, then the device is shaking because there's no optic image stabilization in the smartphone. So you have to try to hold your phone as steady as possible, and remember to do not put it too close to the object because, as you can see, we are gonna get blurry photo. We are gonna lost focus. So you have to just move it a little bit away and hold as steady as possible. The best it will be with 2 hands. And you can use volume up or down button to don't get this shake vibration when you tap on the screen. And as you can see, okay, this one doesn't look good. I just move my phone so the photo looks blurry. So I have to just try to do this one more time. There we go. And now let's see. And now as you can see, it looks much better than this one, but still I don't get this quality like here. So I will have to definitely try to move it slightly. And I can even try to turn on the flashlight because you have to also remember about the good lighting conditions. So more light you get, then the better quality you will receive. Now the another photo was taken, and as you can see, this one looks pretty good actually. So this is how we can do this. We can find, for example, this broken aluminum frame on my phone, some scratches and other things, something that we cannot notice actually here. And yeah, this is my method. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching.